Next, we are going to learn about the grammar of tsumoridatta. The grammar of tsumoridatta is meaning that I thought that I believe was planning to, was intending to. Are you seeing here? That means you thought you will do something, or you were planning to do something, or you intending to do something. In Japanese, they use the grammar of tsumoridatta, which means it's in the past tense form. So in Japanese, when do you use the grammar of tsumoridatta? You have the structure like this. That means you can use with the verb and the noun only. But when you use the verb, you should use the verb in the te form and the ta form, which means is in the past tense form. And when you use the noun, you should put no after the noun, and after that you can follow by tsumoridatta. But are you seeing here? Sometimes you can say tsumori nano ni or tsumoridatta. It just has the same meaning that I thought, I believe, I was planning to, was intending to, something. Are you seeing here? So don't be confused when you see the grammar of tsumoridatta or tsumori nano ni. It just has the same meaning. And what you have to remember, you can use the verb and noun only. In the verb, we have two cases, te form and ta form. The next, we are going to see some example to make more understand about how to use the grammar of tsumoridatta or tsumori nano ni. In here, our example they say, itta tsumoridatta. Itta tsumoridatta, which means I thought I say it. I thought I say it. What is about the grammar in here? We have itta. Itta is mean the verb in the past tense form, and it has the meaning that say or talk. If in the past tense, we can say it has the meaning that say or talk, which means somebody already talked that story to you. Itta tsumoridatta, which means talk to another body. When you talk to another body, you already talk to another body. And if we translate to be the full sentence, we can say, I thought I said it, which means that you talk the story to another body. You already talk. It's in the past tense form. But maybe somebody don't remember what you talked in the past. So you can say, itta tsumoridatta, which means that I thought I said it. The next example is that 私はそのメールを送ったつもりだった。私はそのメールを送ったつもりだった。Which means that I'm sure I sent the email. I am sure I sent that email. So what is about the grammar in here? We have okutta. Okutta is mean in the verb in the past tense form. So it's correct when we compare to the grammar rule. When we use with the grammar of tsumoridatta, you should change the verb to be the past tense form or te form. And it has the meaning that send something to another body. And when you use the grammar of tsumoridatta, that means you already sent the email to another body, but maybe he or she was not confirmed or not yet to confirm the email, so they ask you back. And you can say okutta tsumoridatta as you see in the case like this. And even you translate to be the full sentence, you can say, I'm sure I sent that email. When you talk with another party and you talk about sending email to each other, maybe sometimes another party want to say back, you didn't send the email to me. But when you want to confirm back that and when you are sure about that you already did it. So in case like you can say okutta tsumoridatta, which means that you already sent the email. The next we are going to see this sample. They say コーヒーを注文したつもりだった。コーヒーを注文したつもりだった。Which means that I'm sure I ordered a coffee. I'm sure I ordered a coffee. In here, our verb is 注文した. It's in the past tense form. And it's in the third form. So it is correct when you need to compare the grammar rule of tsumoridatta. And this sentence is mean that you pay attention, your words intention to order the coffee. But sometimes you go to the restaurant and the person in the restaurant will ask you back that what did you order. So in the case like you can say コーヒーを注文したつもりだった which means that you already ordered the coffee. The next example is それは予約したつもりだった。それは予約したつもりだった which means that I thought I had made the reservation. I thought I had made the reservation. In here, our verb is 予約した is in the past tense form or is in the third form. So, in the case that you can use with the つもりだった and when you use 予約したつもりだった this means you already made the reservation. But sometimes you go to the hotel and you check in, right? Maybe the person in the hotel also will tell you that have you made the reservation yet or not, right? So in a situation like this, you can answer back like in Japanese way, 予約したつもりだった which means that you already made the reservation and no problem. So I hope that you understand about how to use the grammar of つもりだった. You can use the つもりだった in the case with the verb and noun only. When you use the verb, what you should remember is you can use with the daily form or third form, and you can use with the noun only. And it had a meaning that you already done something. Thank you very much for watching my video clip. And please help me subscribe my channel if you haven't. I hope to see you about learning Japanese in the next video clip. ありがとうございました。